So it is June. We have a strawberry season now in Ukraine. Strawberries like sun and hot weather. Typically, they are very soft, very juicy. We like to mush them with sour cream and sugar. If you cut it in half, it has no juice and it's white. That means it has a lot of strange chemicals. So anyway, you just want to buy it maybe in a local market. Just make sure it's like a homegrown. And you want to buy it when the strawberries are middle to the lowest price, which means there's a lot of strawberry on the market. If it's a high price, if it's in the beginning or at the end of the season, it means it was created using a lot of chemicals. We want healthy food and natural berries. We are used to having strawberries straight from the garden. Especially I just had strawberries in our backyard. And every morning I woke up and made some strawberries. We like to eat them with sour cream, sugar. Eat it for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. I like to raid the garden for strawberries every day, a few times a day. When I see something red, this is when I pick them, and they usually every day there's a new harvest. I like to buy them at the local market from grandmothers, grown in the field, and we love to eat them. They're very tasty. How do you like your strawberries? With chocolate, with cream? I like them with condensed milk.